This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, water heater, leveling jacks, DVD player, TV, external shower, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is 7,876 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.